Hey guys, ready for Michael Jordan? Stay tuned. Hey, back with another one. This time I got Michael Jordan, the #1 basketball player ever, by far. My son's namesake, because his name is Jordan. My mom's last name is Jordan. So without further ado, check out this video. Alright, we're starting it off by doing some prep work. I'm sanding with my Dremel, and I got multiple Dremels to get in the tight grooves. I printed them a couple months ago, so I have a lot to get off of him because he sat around a bunch of dust and junk. So now getting all the crud off of him. And you tend to have that when you have models that sit around for a while. So make sure you clean them up with alcohol and get all the crud out. I'm using my sanding tools to get all inside of the shoes and stuff to get the sanding, not sanding, but the supports off. Because you want those little Michael Jordan emblems to show. Because when you look further and closer into it, and you think you're looking at a Michael Jordan when you're painting, and it's actually a support that was left behind. Not cool. So get your nippers in there and clean them and cut. And if you know shoes, then you should know what you're uncovering anyway. Now, sadly, I've never had this shoe. I've always wanted it, and I probably will get it eventually. Okay, so now we're starting off with a primer, and I'm hitting the base with the black, and I like to start them off with black so I can, have the dark details under there, and it's good to have something even. So if there are details that I miss when it comes to sanding, I can knock it all out now instead of coming back and trying to sand something off after I've gone on to the next layers. Alright, next I'm coming through with a Zenithal highlight, and I'm using my Pro-Acryl primer also to do this. And I think I want to start using inks because the inks will show brighter. So next time I'm gonna use ink when I do my Storm. Now is the final primer, and it's not really a primer because it's the actual color. And I'm just using pink and following behind the pink with a red in the crevices. And this shows up when you put the skin on. And I do this like I've shown in other videos. I do this for every skin color. And I thought about this, because I learned this from watching other videos, but because I used to do my own thing where I'll do the browns first and go back and do the other skin tones, and that's fine. But as you'll come to notice when you do it that way, things turn out ashy. I don't know why, but I watched a guy do a video the other day, and I just knew it was gonna turn out ashy from his the way he did it, because he was doing it the old way that I used to do it, and you know, I come from an artist background, and you know that's the way you learn as an artist, and you have to take this kind of painting different than you do on drawing and using you know color pencils or you know, painting on a canvas. It's not the same, and yeah, you get a different result when you use these kind of techniques. All right, I'm using my Kolinsky brush to do the details here. When using these kind of brushes, don't dab on your tip. Make sure the brush is full so you don't have to keep going back and forth and getting dry tips. And also you'll find you'll get smoother paint lines, or no lines at all. If you're a Jordan collector, you'll know that this year is the 40th anniversary of the Jordan shoe and him coming into the league. I plan on getting that shoe after I spend some money on other people for Christmas. But I do want that 40th anniversary shoe. The last Jordan that I bought were the 33s when I was back in art school. And I went crazy and bought almost all the colors. And I do want to go back and get the Travis Scott colors. The green ones, oh, they're sweet. They're like $350 on StockX right now. These sable brushes, they come in handy when you're trying to do small lines like this. I tried to mask off as much as I could, but I knew that I would still have to come back and do you know, little detail like this, which is okay. That's what the glasses are for. I appreciate you guys that have stuck around. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It keeps me, you know, it keeps me in the algorithm. Hit the like button, hit the bell notification, and hit anything on there that you think is going to get me some more views. I've been around for a while, and you know, I see a lot of guys. Hey, they've been around as long as me, and they're in the stratosphere. You know, 100,000 view, you know, subscribers for some of the guys. Hey, I don't post as much or have as great content, but I think I do okay. So, if you think you should reward me for, you know, posting videos for free, just hey, hit the subscribe button. That's all I need. Thank you. This was a lot of detail. Lately I've been getting myself in a lot of trouble doing some crazy detail. Wait till you see the next video. Oh my god. I got into the Tanuki contest, and I chose the character Nidalee. I don't know, I didn't know who she was before. I do know now, and I never played the video game League of Legends, and you know, you don't have many pictures of her. It's a phone video game, and you know, all you got is to go by really is the renders that Tanuki provided. So you know, a lot of the guys are using the same images in the paint contest to paint. So you know, you have to make sure that you're using all the talent you got to get every detail that you can. And my printers, oh my god. So my printers are not running the way I need them to be. My Anycubic, I need to replace the screens on them. I don't even know why they go out so fast with less than a year of usage. I'm down to one resin printer trying to print all this stuff. I end up printing my base for her with FDM. And yeah, so I did some tricks to get the base looking good, and I'll explain that in that video when the contest is over, which the contest is over as of me making this video, or making the post edits. It ended on the 10th. Today's the 11th as I'm recording this, and the final results will be out the 15th. So I let them know I wouldn't be posting any pictures of her. So I'll wait to make this video in the next few days and post the video after, you know, the final results are out. Good luck to those, you know, who might win it. I seen some nice paintings though, so I don't think I'm the best one. So good luck to those who are in the running. I'll just say that. Alright, time to paint this iconic face. And I'm just, you know, using some Dectan and pink to do his eyes. Eyes are not easy, but if you keep practicing at it, it will start to get easier. For his eyes, all I did was just take a dark brown, then a lighter brown, then another lighter brown, and then the center for the, you know, black, and then some highlights. The tongue, what I did, I took some red fleshy colors and just did the highlight in the middle and blend it from the middle to the outward, and there you go. with the teeth, just start off with a darker white, and then hit the edges with a titanium white.
Sargent Digital Design is the channel where you can enjoy 3D printing, painting, barbering, RC cars, and anything else. Dealing with art and hobbies with your host Sarge. Sargent Digital Design is the channel where you can enjoy 3D painting, barbering, RC cars, and anything else. Dealing with art and hobbies with your host Sarge.
All right, here are the final results. Tell me what you think.
Sargent Digital Design is the channel where you can enjoy 3D printing, painting, barbering, art, cars, and anything else. Dealing with art and hobbies with your host Sargent Digital Design is the channel.
All right, I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I'll be back soon with another one. This time I'll be coming back with a contest video. This is my base, and it's not finished, but I'm still working on it, and I only got a few days to finish it, so we'll see. All right, so like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this monstrosity. I'll be taking them to the show in the morning. Today's November 1st, so I just finished Halloween, and I am tired. All right, so I'll see you guys soon. Hey, thanks for my patrons, and thanks for my new subscribers. And please, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, keep it in your algorithm, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace out.
Channel where you can enjoy 3D printing, painting, barbering, archery, cars, and anything else dealing with art and hobbies with your host, Sarge. Sargent Digital Design is the channel where you can enjoy 3D printing, painting, barbering, artsy cars, and anything else dealing with art and hobbies with your host, Sarge. 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 Sargent Digital Design is the channel where you can enjoy 3D printing, painting, barbering, RC cars, and anything else dealing with art and hobbies with your host, Sargent.